Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Maths Binomial Theorem exercise 8.2 question number 10. Let's see the question. The coefficient of the r minus 1th, rth and r plus 1th term in the expansion of x plus 1 the whole power n and the ratio 1:3:5 find n and r. Here it's given that these three terms are in the ratio of 1:3:5. Usually seeing the ratio it will be only two terms, but here we have three terms means let us take the coefficients as it is given as coefficient. We need to take the general term. You know the formula for the general term, that is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r and y power r. Here we need to find r plus 1th term, r minus 1th term and rth term. Here r plus 1th term, it's already the formula itself is the r plus 1th term. Now we want for tr. That means this plus 1 should be there in the formula. So if I write plus 1, what to be written as r to get r tr? We need to write r minus 1. So this get cancelled and I will be getting tr. So in the place of r, we have r minus 1. Wherever you see r, we need to substitute r minus 1 because this plus 1 is there in the formula itself. Now n, c, r here is r minus 1 and x power n minus, here in the place of r we have r minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. As y here is 1, so we can leave this. Even this can be written as ncr x power n minus r because y is 1, 1 power any number will be 1. 1 multiplied with a number will give you the same number. So it's not necessary to write 1 power. So you can leave this. Now we are written for tr, let us write for tr minus 1. So as you know, this will be plus 1. So what can be written to become r minus 1 is tr minus 2. Only if you write tr minus 2, if we solve this, it becomes tr minus 1 because of the greater number sign as negative. Now in the place of r, we have r minus 2. The formula becomes nc r minus 2 x power n minus, in the place of r minus 2, as the bracket there are two numbers, taking the minus sign inside it becomes r plus 2. Now this is your first term, they have asked for r minus 1, this is your rth term and this is your r plus 1th term. This in the ratio it gives you 1:3:5. I am going to take first 2, that is 1 divided by 2 means this 2 we can take, that is 1/3. Now let me write nc r minus 2 x power, they have written only the coefficient, so no need to write the x value. They have asked us the coefficient of this. The coefficient of this number is only this. So n c r minus 2 by n c r minus 1 is equal to 1/3. So let us solve this by writing the combination formula, which is ncr is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So here we have n factorial by r factorial is r minus 2 factorial and n minus r plus 2 factorial. By the same way here it becomes n factorial by r minus 1 factorial. We have n minus, we have two numbers, so if a minus sign goes inside it becomes plus 1 is equal to 1/3. This is the main denominator, so I am writing to differentiate. I am just writing 2 dash because seeing this you will be seeing better. Here this get cancelled. This goes as a reciprocal and it goes to the numerator. It becomes r minus 1 factorial by into n minus r plus 1 factorial by r minus 2 factorial into n minus r plus 2 factorial equal to 1/3. Now the greater one we can split to the factorial form. Here this is the greater one, so this can be written as minus, and here this is the greater one. So I am going to splitting this as this becomes r minus 1 into, the next will be minus 1. Minus 1 if I write, it becomes minus will become minus 2 factorial, because we have minus 2 here. So let us stop this in the numerator. It becomes n minus r plus 1 factorial by, here in the denominator, let this be as it is, and this can be splitted out, n minus r plus 2 into, writing minus 1 it becomes plus 1. So n minus r, the next number will be plus 1 factorial equal to 1 by 3. This get cancelled, this get cancelled. We have r minus 1 by n minus r plus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we need to do cross multiply. If there is anything in fraction of both the numbers in equal to, just multiply this number with this and this number to that side. Now it becomes 3r minus 3. We need to multiply with both the numbers. Same way here, it becomes n minus r plus 2. Bring all the r and number to the other side and n on the same side. So here it becomes 3r minus r will become plus r minus 3 minus 2 equal to n. So n is equal to 4r minus 5. So keep the n is equal to, so let me write it as 4. N is equal to 4r minus 5 as it is. And now let us solve the next two, that is 2 and 3. As we have ratios, let me take the other ratios, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is equal to 3 by 5. So let me take this and solve this. Here, now we are going to take 2 and 3. 2 here is tr by tr plus 1 term, which is equal to 3 by 5 is given. So let me take only the coefficients of tr, which is ncr minus 1 by ncr, which is equal to 3 by 5. Let us write the formula, which is n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. As this is a major denominator, I am going to write it as 2 dash, so that for you to make it clear, here n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This get cancelled. I am going to take this as a reciprocal. So this comes in the numerator. It becomes n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial equal to 3 by 5. Now this is the greater one, so I am going to split this r into r minus 1 factorial. Here let me take this as it is, n minus r factorial. Here this is the greater one, so I am writing this as it is. Here this can be split as n minus r plus 1, then the other number will be minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled and it becomes n minus r factorial is equal to 3 by 5. This get cancelled, this get cancelled. We have r by n minus r plus 1 is equal to 3 by 5. If I cross multiply this 2, it becomes 5r is equal to 3n minus 3r plus 3. Here bringing r and the constant term to one side, we already know the n value which we have found to be the fourth equation as n is equal to 4r minus 5. I am going to substitute it here. We have already found n is equal to 4r minus 5. I am going to substitute in the place of n. So now this becomes 5r plus 3r minus 3 is equal to 3 into, in the place of n, 4r minus 5. Substituting equation 4. Now we'll solve this. 8r minus 3 is equal to, here it becomes 12r minus 15. Bringing r to one side and number to the other side, it becomes 12r minus 8r is equal to 15 minus 3. 12 is equal to 4r. So r becomes 3. So we got our r by taking this to this side as a divide. It get cancelled and our r becomes 3. So we have found r. Already we know the n value. So sorry, we know the n equation, substituting it here, n is equal to 4r minus 5, substituting r here, it becomes 4 into 3 minus 5, which is 12 minus 5. So yeah, n is equal to 7. So they asked us to find the value of n and r. We have found it to be n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 3. That's all with the sum. Thank you.